key is getting the wok hot enough to where it doesn't stick. If the wok is not hot enough, and you put the oil too soon, it'll stick. So you don't want like too crazy. I mean, you just gotta put enough oil. That's gonna, so we're gonna put a lot of oil. This is oil. That's good. Let's go get some more oil that we used before. The shells, onions. Use this later. Meat. My mom had actually already pre-cooked this. This is Chinese sausage. This is beef, and that's just shallots, garlic, and onions. So the trick is, if you notice, I already put it in hot. Ain't nothing sticking. Now we're going to add more. So now we added, like salt, pepper, sugar, some like onion base, stuff like that. That egg we'll put in it toward the end. Now, it's right. So look, we're going to add a little more oil. Nothing hard, right? Don't have any heat. If you notice, nothing's sticking. So all we've done is added the salt, pepper, sugar, and just like seasoning. We have not added the last part, which is soy sauce. These are all mad caps, right? The soy sauce is really kind of a gauge of how much rice you got. You don't want to go too crazy on it, but it's really more for color more than anything else. Just heat a little bit. And this rice is a little bit on the moist side. You can tell. I'm just kind of melting the feel of it. So again, that's why you need a high heat. Yes, I do make it up. It does, right? So you have the egg that's in. Add more egg that's in. We have a very, very good onion. Add green onions. I know, right? I'm feeding a bunch of people. And this is more than just one helper. This is like feeding like 6 of them. So we would not normally make this much rice in one can. This is more like double an order. Or that's 3. Yeah, this is like normally like 3 orders that we would not normally have to do. Last 2 things I did not do. The white pepper. The white pepper, I use a little rice wine. And then the final step, always for Chinese, little sesame oil. Use that as a topping. Very, very high, definitely at a very low burning temperature. You put it on at the very, very end. That's it. All right. Oh, man. So that is fried rice. Cooking how long? All right. So this is fried rice.